Homemade Cajun seasoning is a simple blend of spices that will take a boring dish and bring it up a notch. Skip the store-bought seasonings and whip up your own to bring a taste of Southern cooking right into your home. A little bit of spice and a whole lot of bold, make this and love it. And let me show you how to make it today on the Stay-at-Home Chef. This Cajun blend comes together quickly. I love having it in my pantry to add into multiple dishes, dips, or sprinkled upon numerous things, which I will show you a few of those. But first, grab a bowl and add to that 1 tablespoon of paprika. Using smoked paprika adds such a deep flavor and I recommend it, but it is optional. 1 tablespoon of onion powder. Onion powder adds a subtle sweetness to this and of course that onion flavoring. 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, which to me you can never have enough garlic. Measure it with your heart or leave it out, you do you. 1 tablespoon of oregano, which gives a peppery vibe and a nice warmth. 1 tablespoon of basil, which is a sweet and savory aromatic herb. 1 tablespoon of salt, which, it's salty and it's an enhancer. 1 teaspoon of dried thyme, and of course the peppers. We've got 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and 1 teaspoon of white pepper. If you really want to crank up the heat, add in more of your favorite pepper. Now that you have that all in a bowl, stir it up and you can store that in an airtight container for up to a year. We have quite a few Cajun recipes over on our website, but check out these simple ones. The first one you've got to try is French fries. Make those French fries in the air fryer, baked or fresh out of the oil. And sprinkle the hot French fries with the Cajun seasoning. To make a crazy delicious Cajun dip that you're going to want to dip everything under the sun into, combine a half a cup of mayonnaise with 1 cup of sour cream and 2 tablespoons of the Cajun seasoning. Mix that together and let it chill for about an hour to really let those flavors develop. A quick dinner time favorite that we often make is Cajun chicken. Using 8 pieces of dark meat chicken, I'm using 4 legs and 4 thighs. Add those to a bowl or a bag. Drizzle in about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Then sprinkle in 2 tablespoons of that Cajun seasoning. Mix or toss that together and let that sit for at least 30 minutes to allow those flavors to enhance the chicken. Then I'm going to bake the chicken in the oven that is preheated to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'm going to let them bake for 25 to 30 minutes until that chicken is safely cooked to an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. These are just a few simple ways to use that seasoning and I highly recommend making some today. No matter how you choose to use this Cajun seasoning, you are ready to eat. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description below. Be sure to check out thestayathomechef.com where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. We'll see you later.